So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual AirPods third generation and the AirPods Pro. So many of you want to know a little bit about the differences of both AirPods. So essentially, the AirPods third generation costs around $150. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro costs around $300. It is true that they've got some main differences we will try to explain right now. But I want to make clear that both of them have a great actual audio, great actual settings, and the battery is pretty much amazing too. So in general, I think that the AirPods Pro have a great cancellation noise system, meaning that they do some kind of buffer, which essentially makes you actually enjoy the actual music and the actual phone call much more, especially if you're in places such as public transport, which you can hear almost anything. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro, the AirPods Pro have those cancellation noise, and the actual AirPods third generation do not have the ear tips and do not have the cancellation noise. However, they do have the actual stereo moving music, in the sense that if you move your head, the music also moves. So that's pretty interesting. It's got this actual stereo movement, I like to call it. And also the AirPods Pro, I really like that you've got different sizes of the actual ear tips, meaning that you can actually, here for instance it says the M, but you can actually essentially, depending on your ear tip and depending on both left and right ear tip, you can actually modify the actual size, not like with the actual AirPods third generation, which you have only got one size. So essentially $300 or $150, both great actually music stereo. The AirPods Pro have the cancellation noise system and a few other features, and the AirPods third generation are really comfortable, really easy to use, and a little bit smaller. Okay, so which one would I choose? Depending if I'm on a budget, AirPods third generation. If I want the cancellation noise, because I usually work in environments where it's really noisy, the AirPods actual Pro second generation, which are with the one with the speakers, or you can buy the first generation, which are also awesome. If you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as shortly as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.